Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, Vanakkam, Namaskara and Jai Shri Ram. Friends, keep your eyes open as today a very interesting development has taken place in the share market. We will discuss about it. Today, the company which we are going to talk is MAHCIE Automotive Limited. This is a company of Mahindra and Mahindra Group. Friends, I would like to invite your attention that MAHCIE manufactures engines, steering components, forging products, mainly supplies to Mahindra and few other companies as well. Its Q2 results were declared on 23rd of February and the results were outstanding. Which we will check. The net profit actually increased by as much as 55%. So this was actually what made the difference here. You see, here is this big candle is of 23rd or 24th. I think this is 24th of February. Straight went up by about say 100 rupees. That means in one day it gave roughly about 40% jump. Naturally what happens is once the results are out, event is over, the share takes downtrend as all the shares do. Before going ahead, let us friends check with the fundamentals of Mahindra Cie Automotive. This is the quarterly results of Mahindra Cie. You can see here, as far as the sale was concerned, the sales declined by about 100 crores. Operating profit also declined on quarter to quarter basis by roughly about 7 crores. But if you see year to year, there was increase from 840 to 1110 and operating profit also increased by roughly 60%. Year to year performance was fantastic. Now, hold on. Let us see the net margin of profit, which is the main parameter of fundamental analysis for swing traders. Q to Q, it increased by roughly about say 50%, 55%. And year to year the increase was, what do I say, it was 120%. Friends, just it is the net profit margin which will drive Mahindra Cie tremendously before the Q4 results are over. Let's come and check on the charts. Here the 460 was the highest. If you consider in 1 year the return was 130%. And as of now, if you consider today after following, the annual profit is 86% if you were holding it for 1 year's time. So you can see the trend here is just a fantastic trend. You can see this is in the uptrend as long as it is in it doesn't break 340. My own opinion is that the share eventually will rise. I cannot say about tomorrow. Today it is something like a spinning top, more or less. I have made a purchase of 300 shares at varying prices and my average actually is 361. Fine, today it has closed at 371. So maybe I have gained about 3000 rupees, but I am holding the share with me. Friends, today as a strategy I will say we must buy few shares. Traders must definitely start buying into the share, because by the time the results will come in the month of April, by say third week of April, you can easily find the stock going above 460. Now this is my assumption or presumption, whatever you may call it. It may be more, it may be less. Friends, it is not that today I am going to talk to you only about Mahindra Cie I would like to compare and show you how in the auto sector the share stands. Now I will only deal with the stalwarts. If you see Bajaj Auto, if you were holding it 1 year back and if you were holding it today, fine. So what it has given finally, just let me put it here. It has given roughly about, say, not even 100 rupees in 1 year. Such an expensive share. Okay, you compare it with Maruti. Maruti last year it had closed here, and I'm sorry I did not mark it, I just forgot it. From 7,200 it has gone to 8,500. Say roughly you can say 1,200 rupees. Fine. In other words, it has given 12% return. Hero Motocorp, 1 year back if you mark, I think this has given a negative return. It has not given a negative return, it has given 70 rupees up. How poor is the performance? We will see even Tata Motors. Tata Motors, 1 year back, it closed at 420, today it is 416, so it is negative. So in the entire sectors with all the stalwarts of the industry like Bajaj Auto, Maruti, Hero Honda, Hero Motocorp, Tata Motors, you find that Mahindra Cie has already given 130% results, or in 1 year 86% profit. Is it not that we should buy the share and keep it with us? Especially, friends, keeping in view that it has given quarter to quarter, it has given a 55% jump in the net profit, and year to year it is 120%. I think this is one of the finest performance, and that is why it had given all the traders recognized in 1 day it gave a jump of roughly about 100 rupees. That means roughly about 40-45% high in 1 day. Friends, the momentum in the share will pick up. There is no doubt before the results come. We have done the analysis whether we should be in the real two-wheelers or four-wheelers market, or better we choose Mahindra Cie as our one of the strong players in the auto ancillary industry within auto. I have made the purchases, 300 I have made today, and if it falls down, my own assumption is if it falls down, as long as it is above say 350 or between 300 and it doesn't fall below 340, there is no cause to worry. Rest is up to you. You have to take a decision. Kindly consider your broker or financial advisor, whoever it is. But today the sales stake is not for the purpose of liquidating or reducing debt to equity ratio or something of that sort. I do not know why they have offloaded, maybe some acquisitions, as they had done last year also, one acquisition. So let's see what happens in the future with Mahindra and Mahindra Cie. As of now, friends, you can make tons of money. I call it tons of money or multi-bagger because I think in 1 year's time, if you trade in this share, it will become a multi-bagger automatically with more than 100% returns. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day. Be with me, and together we will earn lot of money. Thank you very much.